Hello, I'm here again. Welcome to my page and my channel. Today I'm going to boil this fruit, apple and pear, uh, an absolutely remedy for cough and cold. And it's very simple. Boil for 1 hour or until this lotus seed is soft, and add red dates, so no need to add sugar. This is very sweet. And lily bulb, add at last. The lotus seed has something inside. Remove it. See? It's bitter. So, wash it. And put it first when the water is boiling, because this is takes time to get soft. If your pan is size is like this, put half water. It's actually already boiling, and so I will put then wash this. Chop it into cubes. And no need to remove the skin. Just remove the seeds. And the dates, see, also take away the seed. And throw in the boiling water. like this.